Dacon Inspection Technologies, one of the leading providers of inspection technology in the world. Dacon's inspection innovations have been designed and developed by Dacon's experienced team of expert engineers, as well as our team of internationally certified staff who are able to efficiently meet our customers' needs. Our outstanding inspection technologies include pipeline intelligent pigging, pipeline intelligent or pigging from Dacon uses smart technology to inspect for both corrosion, erosion and crack in pipelines. Dacon's inline inspection tools can operate in steel, stainless, HDPE and internally lined pipelines. Advanced NDT inspection. At Dacon, we continuously strive to innovate technical and robotic solutions to enhance efficiency, speed integrity and accuracy of inspection while reducing work processes and cost for our customers. Dacon's services have been entrusted by leading companies in oil and gas, petrochemical, power, and shipping industries worldwide. Dacon also provides inspection services in remote areas, such as offshore oil and gas platforms, high-rise structures, and confined spaces or hard-to-reach areas by using rope access technique for safe and rapid interaction by ERATA certified engineers. Dacon provides technology for the codes and standard of the American Petroleum Institute, or API, USA. We employ the highest number of certified API engineers in Asia. With our mission to be the leader in inspection technology, Dacon has founded a research and development center led by renowned doctors of physics and international specialists who work together to develop innovations in the inspection industry in order to meet our customers' growing needs and to respond to the demands of the digital era and environmental sustainability. Dacon Training Institute has formulated a training program to develop internationally certified inspectors. The candidates receive classroom training as well as rigorous practical training in our training area, which includes a pipeline inspection platform in order to test any equipment before handoff to our customers, as well as a training platform which meets the standards according to the Global Wind Organization and Industrial Rope Access Trade Association, ERATA. Dacon Inspection Technologies for all your inspection needs.